You have seen many of these animated characters on YouTube. As you all know, lately this has become more famous and they hook the viewers. Big YouTubers are using this as well, and the best thing is, this is also made from AI. If you want to make this type of anime, cartoon, or realistic characters for your YouTube videos or any other platform like TikTok or Instagram, well, my friend, this video is for you. Stick to this video till the end and I will teach you the simplistic way to make these types of animation by only using the new launch AI free tool. As you can see, people are using it in both ways. You can choose whatever you want for your videos. Let's start with the first method. For this, we are going to need a character for your reference. There are a lot of free AI image generation tools. You probably know this. I don't need to explain everything here. We are going to use Lexica for the character. Type in a search for a male or female anime character sitting on the table and looking at the front. It will give many choices. Well, I have chosen this. Let's move to the next step. There is a new powerful AI tool. Go to the Clipdrop website and sign up. First, go to this button named Tools and then click Cleanup. For now, we're going to remove this mouth. Click the brush and select the part which you want to remove. Then click on Edit. Then uncrop. This tool will automatically resize our image to the canvas. You will see, my friend, how powerful this is. Select the canvas size. I will do 1920 into 1080 YouTube size. Now, wait for our automated generations. Let's select what we like the most. Did you see this magic? You did. If this image looks kinda little blurry or not in good quality, we have the next tool, which is Upscale. Again, go to the edit and select on Upscale. It's already added here. Simply hit on Generate Upscale and wait for enhancement. We've enhanced the image. It looks more clear than before. Finally, download the image and we're good to make this character talk. Let's use the free editor, CapCut. Import the image in this talking green screen mouth GIF. I have added this in the description. You can download it. If you want, you can download those from YouTube. There are many. Okay, drag this to the timeline and select on green screen layer. Here on the upper right side, click on cutout, chroma key, choose the green color, make strength and shadow to the full and it will be removed. Now adjust the mouth to the face accordingly. Take some time to put it correctly. If needed, change the blending mode of the mouth to another which could be correctly fit. If any mouth does not suit the character you have chosen, then find another one from the internet or YouTube. Finally, you can add some effects and shaking screen effects or some sharpness effects to be more attractive and catchy to the viewers. Finally, we have done this. You can export this video and start using it for your videos. This was the first method, and it was a basic 2D style talking animation. Now, I will teach you the best and easiest way to make fully AI 3D and realistic animation talking characters. Take a look at these channels and how these people are making, but the catch is they are using paid apps like HeyGen and DID, which are popular, but they are fully paid. But hey, my friend, I've got your back. I will give you the best and newest AI tool, which is not that popular at this time because it's just launched on the internet. So start using this before it's going to be paid. Let's go. Get the images from Lexica, Leonardo, or Midjourney. It's up to you. Uncrop this image as I showed you earlier in this video. For now, I'm okay with this. Go to this website called Sad Talker. I will give you the direct link in the description. This website has a very clean interface. Drag the image in this box. We're going to need to upload a voiceover to get going. For the sake of this video, I will add the AI voice generated from 11 Labs. For now, we don't need to look at these boxes. On the right-hand side, choose Eye Blink on. Make resolution 512. Pre-process to the full. Check this box still mode. It's necessary. It won't allow the tool to be more shaky. Down here, choose a face enhancer for more clarity of your character while talking. Hit generate. You will see the magic in a moment. It will take some time to generate depending upon your voice over how long you have chosen. I would suggest keeping it around 30 seconds long of your voice so it won't give you errors. Sometimes this gives errors due to the high demand for usage of this tool. But no worries, try after some time. Here is the result we have generated.
If you're looking for a side hustle or a new business idea, you may have thought about ways to make money online. when you know what you're doing.
This is insane. Trust me guys, you won't find these results in any other tool. It's worth it more than paid apps. Get the characters from AI and keep generating this talking avatar animation for your videos. Let me know what you think of this. If you have any questions, comment down below and I will help you to solve those for you at any time. Please subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video.